Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you a simple trick to add TikTok to your Mac, just like an app. Since there's no official TikTok app for macOS, we'll use a quick workaround to make a shortcut that looks and feels like the real thing right from your dock. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the TikTok website by typing in www.tiktok.com. Once you're on the home page, click on the Browser tab and drag the URL to your desktop. This will create a shortcut to TikTok on your Mac. Now, when you double-click that shortcut, TikTok opens in your browser. But let's take it a step further and make it look like an actual app. To customize the icon, head over to micasicons.com. In the search bar, type TikTok and choose an icon you like. Download the icon to your computer. Next, right-click or command-click on the TikTok shortcut you created and select Get Info. In the info window, drag the TikTok icon you downloaded into the top left corner to replace the default icon. You can also rename the shortcut to TikTok by clicking the name and typing it in. Finally, just drag the TikTok shortcut into your dock. Now, whenever you click it, TikTok will launch instantly in your browser, just like a real app. And that's it. You've now created your own TikTok app for Mac. You can use this same method for other websites too, like Instagram, Reddit, Facebook, and more. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.